Okay, so here on 14th Street, 14th Street and Avenue D. David. Got 3 cop cars now with the fire department and ambulance. So we come up here, see what's going on. These guys don't like us, I don't care. I'm not here to be liked. Here to take accountability. Like he's looking for me. I'm over here. So yeah, you notice I'm not going inside the ambulance. I'm just standing out here. We've got 1, 2, 3 cop cars. It's been a busy night tonight for the Sheriff's Department. And we're on an easement here. There's no sidewalk. So we're on the public easement walkway. See if these fire department guys come over here and say anything. But for some reason, they wanted the sheriffs out here. They asked for an ETA of the SO, which is the sheriff's office. So apparently all these sheriff's cops just arrived. Well, 2 were here when I got here. The 3rd one just pulled up. But they asked for an ETA, so there was no sheriff's car out here 5 minutes ago. See how he turned his head a little, look this way? See what he does. I just like to close in and see if they're talking about me. And sometimes you can tell by facial expressions, body gestures. You can tell. Yeah, he's looking right at my camera. Right at my camera, dude. But the fact that they called the Sheriff's Department out here, you know, you got to come out and document it. Because you don't know what's going on. For all I know, they could have had a guy pepper sprayed on the ground here. But it's been a busy weekend for intoxicated individuals, man, I'll tell you. Where are they going? There, he took off. That one took off. So they're taking him to the hospital, I guess. Oh, they're going up to the fire truck, huh? Is he riding with them then? Or is he just grabbing something? He wouldn't be riding with them. No, because his car's right here. So I'm not sure if it was just a guy walking down the street or what. Oh, he's got a bicycle. Okay, now I see what they're looking at. I didn't even see that. So was he riding the bike then or something? Okay. Kid's bike. Oops, too close. Way too close. So not sure why they called the SO out. It's something to do with the bicycle. Is that his bike? If it is, are they gonna just leave it? Or what? Or was it a juvenile and that's why they called the SO out? And again, I didn't get the person in the ambulance. I didn't get their face or nothing. They were in the back of the ambulance. We're gonna get a honk. Sometimes they like to honk really loud. So we'll see. Oops. I was trying to zoom in. There we go. Yeah, he wasn't too happy that I'm out here. But when they say, "Can we get an ETA on the SO?" you come out. That's a reason to come out and record. Nothing. You're not saying anything bad about the cops. We're just saying. That's not Castaneda right there. I may have mistaken him for Castaneda the other night. I think I did. They're asking where he's going, so I wonder if they're gonna go there later. But yeah, I think I may have mistaken him for Castaneda the other night. But that's not Deputy Castaneda. So let's see if they take the bike or if they leave it or what they're doing. I don't know why they're doing it with a bicycle, but we'll stay for a second. See what they do. Yeah, they're gonna take it. Well, they have to take it. It's his property. I always get ready to swivel my camera too when people drive by, because I'm waiting on that "leave them alone" or "hey man, why are you filming them," blah blah blah, and then I like to swivel my camera real quick. All right guys, I'm gonna stop it. He's taking off. He's got the bike. It sounds like, I don't know if they're gonna show up at the hospital for the guy or not, but he asked where they were taking him. Maybe that was just for the police report though. Who knows? Let's see what he does. Sometimes they'll hit their spotlight too to try to blind me, but he did not.